Good afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to be bringing you a quick video about how you operate things on the instrument cluster. So a lot of people have actually asked me, how do you operate that screen on there? How do I get it to show different things? So it's very easy to do that actually. So you can operate that using the up and down buttons. So let's try and zoom in a little bit so we can see. So I can go up and down using those buttons. Now you will notice if you press OK, you can use this to reset certain values. So say if you've got the MPG feature up, you can use that to reset those values if you wish. I'm not going to do that. I'm happy with what it is at the moment. You can also get a different screen up. So if you want to see something different that you don't want on there anymore, you can just press the side arrows. So this is the same way that a new Mercedes works. So you can operate a different sort of screen. You have different sort of clusters depending on what you want to see. It's quite a nice feature. So let's press the side button and you'll see this little menu pop up. It's a little bit hidden. You wouldn't know it was there, to be fair. So you just press that. It does disappear after a few seconds. So you've got to sort of make up your mind quickly where you want to go. So say for example, I want to go to I don't know, let's go away to the settings for example. So under settings I can obviously change my instrument cluster into sort of miles, and you can scroll through your menu sometimes using the arrows. It all operates using the arrows. You've got your lights, you can change different sort of lights that you want. Convenience with the seat belt for example, whether you want that to pull you or not. Reset factory settings, don't recommend that personally. Did that by accident before. And so yeah, you can operate a whole different bunch of settings here, all using these little buttons. You can also operate them using, well, not the actual screen, you can also operate volume and stuff like that from there. So yeah, that's how you operate the instrument cluster, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next video.